I'm so excited to have you here with Personal Finance with Darcy. I am so excited to put some money in your pocket, and today we are going to talk about a lot of good things as it relates to ZenBusiness versus IncFile. But before doing so, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. So let's get into it. So IncFile has a Form 2553, which is actually a tax status that actually allows you to establish a corporation, an S Corp, and pay less taxes. And so I'm going to create some videos on that, but that's definitely something if you're creating a corporation or an LLC, you definitely want S Corp status. And so that's just a tax status, not necessarily a legal entity, but it's a tax status, S Corp status. And so definitely I'm going to create some videos on that, but that's definitely something in the gold package for IncFile that definitely stands out, and you definitely want to do research on or check out some of my videos on that. And so as it relates to the product offerings, again, ZenBusiness is a little bit more pricier, but it does include designing a website. It does include having your business email and a couple of other really nice offerings that you would want, but you might not want it through a registered agent. So overall, you should choose IncFile if you are thinking about not keeping registered agent services for very long, or if you want to eventually establish a nonprofit or a partnership. So if you want more than just a corporation or LLC, then IncFile is pretty much your option because it affords you those other options in terms of the legal entity that you want, versus ZenBusiness is just going to be corporations and LLCs. So that's something important to consider. And you can't deny the $0 silver package price tag looks pretty nice for IncFile. And then if you are thinking about wanting ZenBusiness, what you should consider is just customer service. So ZenBusiness is available from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. Like, wow, the hours for customer service is so nice. And then it's actually open on Sundays as well, from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Time as well. So I wanted a registered agent where I could just call up and be like, hey, on the weekends, because I work full time. And so that was something that was important to me, is to be able to call them up on the weekends when I had free time. And so definitely ZenBusiness has that great thing going for them in terms of customer service. And so then if you compare that to IncFile's customer service is available from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. So that's definitely a narrower window in terms of when you can reach out to somebody. So I could be ending work and then it's too late to call IncFile. And so I just wanted a registered agent that I could just be able to call up almost at any time and be like, hey, I got questions about my business. And so that was something that was important to me. And so just having the flexibility of having more time with my registered agent was something that influenced my decision in terms of who to choose. So for my business, I decided to create an LLC through ZenBusiness. Just overall, the customer service support and just the fact that they were able to get and establish and form my business by the time that I wanted, I just had to go with ZenBusiness. And so I really needed to establish a LLC by the end of December. And so I actually was able to get it faster than I thought with ZenBusiness than if I would have done it through IncFile. And so one of the key differences that I didn't touch on earlier is that typically ZenBusiness has their own filing speed. So you can get it done faster than you would with IncFile, which typically goes on the state's filing speed. So there's a difference there. So ZenBusiness is faster in terms of forming the business than IncFile. And so definitely look into that. Yeah, for me, ZenBusiness was the best just because of customer service and because of the speed in which I needed my business formed. So I hope that helped, and I cannot wait to see you on more videos with Darcy. Okay, till next time, peace, stay building.